Morning students, I hope you will be good and doing your work properly. Keep pen and notebook with you to note down some important points which I will explain you. In the previous video of chapter 2, that is number system, I explained you what is number system, what are its types. The number system has been divided into two types. Non-positional number system. It is an ancient way of representing or counting the things with the help of fingers, pebbles and stones, which was not the proper way of counting the things. It was very difficult to count the different objects and becomes impossible to remember that. After this there is the second number system, that is positional number system. In this positional number system, a number is represented within a sequence of different digits, and every digit in this number have its positions, and these positions have been assigned a place value which can be tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000, so on. In this number system, every digit has its place value which represents it. The positional number system is further divided into four types. First is decimal number system. It has the base 10 because it uses 10 digits to represent a number from 0 to 9. Second is binary number system. It is with base 2. Base 2 means it uses two digits. Those are either 0 or 1. Octal number system uses 8 digits from 0 to 8. That is why it is known as the number system with base 8. Then it comes hexadecimal number system. It uses 16 symbols from 0 to 9 and A to F alphabets. That is why it is known as the number system with base 16. Students, I have explained you this in the previous video. To continue that, today I will tell you how the data is represented in our computer. Since I told you that the computer stores your data or information or any number in the form of the different codes which is represented by either 0 or 1. These zeros or ones are known as a bit or a binary bit. It is the smallest unit of data. A collection of 4 bits is known as a nibble, and a collection of 8 bits or 2 nibbles is known as a byte. Whatever the data you store into your computer, it takes some place into the computer's memory, and that place is measured by either bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, etc. It also represents the capacity of the storage device. After this, we are now going to convert the number system one from another. First of all, I take you to convert our decimal number system into binary number system. Every conversion follows certain rules. To convert a number system into another, follow these rules. First rule: if you want to divide a decimal number system into a binary number system, then you are to divide the decimal number system with the value of that. Value of that means the base of that number system in which you want to convert that decimal number system. So in binary number system we has base 2. So we will divide the decimal number system by 2 for converting it into binary number system. First of all, we will divide the number by 2 and record the remainder. That is also known as the least significant bit. Then we will divide the quotient by the new number, means that is the base 2 divided by 2 and record the remainder. We will repeat the step number 3 to up to the base number till the quotient becomes 0. So you can say that we will start dividing the number by 2, recording the remainder, and then we will divide the quotient by 2 again, and it will go on up to when the quotient becomes 0. Now I am going to tell you how to convert a number that is represented in decimal number system. I am taking 13 decimal number system and want to convert it into binary number. To convert it, first of all you are to prepare a table. Here is 13. This is the base of binary number. We will divide this 13 by 2, that is 6. 2 6 is 12, 1 remainder. We again divide this 6 by 2, 2 3 is 6, remainder 0. Then we will divide this 3 by 2 again, 2 1 is 2, remainder 1. Then by 2 again, that is 0 and remainder is 1. So we can say that it is the remainder, it is the most significant bit, that will be the leftmost bit, and it is the least significant bit, that will be the least significant bit, and which will also come into the rightmost digit. So we can say from least to the most, this is the least 1, then again 1, then 0, and this is the rightmost or most significant bit. So we can say that 13 decimal equal to 1011 binary number. It is the answer. Now I am going to take little larger number, that I will take you 74 decimal number system and will want to convert it into the binary number system. So we will divide this 74 by 2. Here is the remainder. It is also known as most significant bit or rightmost bit. 2 3 is 6 and 2 7 is 4. So remainder becomes 0. Again 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16, then remainder 1. Again 2, 2 9 is 18, remainder 0. Again 2, 2 4 is 8, remainder 1. Again 2, 2 2 is 4, remainder 0. 2 1 is 2, remainder 0. Again 2 0 and 1. It is the least significant bit. Now we will start from this list, that is 1 0, again 0 1 0 1 0. So we can say that 74 decimal is equal to 01010001 binary number system. Students, now I have told you to convert decimal number into binary number. So we can also check it how to convert this decimal number system into binary number system. To convert it back into decimal number system, you are to follow the certain rules also. The rule number 1 says you that note first of all when you find any binary number, so you are to note down the place value of each digit. Number 2, multiply each digit with its place value, then add the products to get it back the number. So here is an example of we want to convert 1010 into. Now I will tell you how to convert. Suppose we have this binary number system and we want to convert this number into decimal number system. First of all, as per the rule, I have been told you, you are to give the values of their places. We will start from the least, that is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Or you can also give it here, this one 1 into 2 raised to power 0. This is second 1 into 2 raised to power 1. This is here 0 into 2 raised to power 2. Then this one 1 into 2 raised to power 3. Now as per the rule, what we will do? We will do this one 1 into 2 raised to power 3, then plus 0 into 2 raised to power 2, then plus 1 into 2 raised to power 1, again plus 1 into 2 raised to power 0. Now we will multiply them and then add them. First of all, 1 into 2 raised to power means 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. That is 8. Again plus 0 into 2 raised to power means 2 into 2, that is 4. 0 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 0 means this 2 has 0 value, means it is nothing. So it means 1 will remain as it is. It is nothing. It is equal to 8 plus 0 into 4 0 plus 1 into 2 2 plus 1 into nothing 1. So we can say that 8 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 8 plus 2 10 and 11. That is the 10112 is equal to 11 is 10. That is the answer. So like this we can convert one number system into another. Now students, you have an assignment which you are to prepare. First of all, the book work. In book work you are to tick the correct answer. You have 5 the multiple choice questions, so you are to tick them. After it, you have true false in question number B. You are to write true for the true and you are to write F for the false. In part C, you have 6 fill-ups. So you are to write the correct word to fill all these fill-ups. Their answers are also have been given here. The answer of question number 1, that is multiple choice questions. First option is C, second B, third C, fourth B, fifth C, like that. In B part, true false, their answers have been given. In fill-ups also have been given. Then you are to define the terms like bit, nibble and bite. E part contains answer the following questions. First question is that what do you mean by number system? Mention its types. Second, name different positional number system which you have 4. First is octal decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and decimal number system. In question number F, you are to convert the decimal number system into binary. Those are 345, 113, 145 and 287. You are to convert all these 4 into the binary number systems. Then G part contains you have been given binary numbers and you are to convert them into decimal number system. So students, complete your assignment and you can send it on the WhatsApp group so that I can check it. So it is enough for today. Thank you and thank you once again.